back to the sex talk that you had with your parents and your sister. Do you feel like your dad was open to it with your sister, or was it like super cringy?
It was not cringy, but I know that he felt some type of way because at the end of the day, it's his daughter. But it made me and my sister super fucking open about it.
Right.
My sister talks to me about her sex experiences. And I'm not like, go on. So what do you do? Girl, the shaft? No. Like that's just me and my sister.
I love it.
That's me and my sister. He did what the who?
Did bent over? Really?
How, girl? How did you pull your hair? You did, ain't it? Oh yeah. You pulled your hair. That's just me and my sister, how we all was super open about it, right?